Alright, so that's it. Watermelon is one great ingredient that helps you so much. It helps you as a woman, and it literally helps you as a man. It works wonders. Like, go try this out alongside with these other ingredients that I've added, and take it when you want to, and then it's going to help you so freaking much. Alright guys, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye. I'll be showing you only 3 ingredients, and these 3 ingredients would actually make you power like us. Like, I know you understand me, so you're not expecting me to just spill the beans, because I know you can read between the lines. So you're going to be very strong, very, and this is one of the ingredients that you're going to be needing, and this is avocado. Okay, so you have to get a fresh avocado. Alright, so after you peel your avocado, the very next thing you're going to do we're going to be removing the avocado meat into the blender. Alright, so after that, we're equally going to be making use of apple. Now, apple is actually a very good remedy when it comes to making you strong and keeping you full. And you know that before you can start any job, you got to be full, okay? So apple will give you the strength, and you're gonna stay full for long. Alright, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be cutting the apple, removing the inner part. Now I would have to be putting the apple inside of this, and then put in water. Then I'll have to blend. Okay, so now it is totally up to you to sieve it out, okay? Because I know that some people would prefer to drink this with all of the fiber, and some would not. So it is totally up to you. For me, I just love to sieve it out because I kind of want just the juice. And now I would have to be turning in the avocado in there, and then I'll blend it lightly. So after that is done, this is how it looks like right now. So creamy and yummy. So this is it, and I'm gonna be keeping that aside. The next ingredient we're going to be making use of, we're going to be needing, is watermelon. Now watermelon is a great activator, guys. Okay, if you must want to do anything, you'd have to consider this particular drink, and do not skip watermelon for any reason. Now even if you want to skip any other ingredient, not watermelon, because watermelon is a natural Viagra. Okay, it does all of it, and it makes you last long, and it makes you strong also, and it makes the whole process really interesting and sweet. Yep, that's what we want. I do this a whole lot with me and my husband. Yeah, so it's something you can try. So after that, I'm gonna be blending it. So after that is done, this is our watermelon, and I'm gonna be sieving it out. This is the watermelon, and now I have to be turning that into the cup. And here I have my natural strong medicine. Only 3 ingredients, but it will actually make you power like a horse. It will actually make you want to and be ready to, like you're always ready all the time when you want to take this. Okay, so the thing is that when you want to go down low, then you would be taking this a whole lot. Okay, and you can even take it even if you don't want to go down low. It's going to help you equally. All right, so go give this a go, and I'm going to go consume all of this. Yeah, I love it. Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today, and how is your week going? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel, and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you just 3 ingredients, and these 3 ingredients is going to do wonders for you. It's going to give you that strength, and you are going to be loving it. Okay guys, so I'm literally just showing you some of our African secrets that makes us super duper strong and all of that. So let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and then let us go.